how to edit contacts on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, open up the phone app. Next, tap on contacts. And then we scroll down the list and tap on the contact that you would like to edit. So for example, Mr. Blake here, I tap on that, then tap on information. Next, tap on the edit button at the bottom. In here, go down and make the changes as required. So you can change the name, phonetic name, nickname. You can remove a mobile number or update the mobile number if that person has changed their phone number. You can add in additional phone number, add an email address. You can assign them to a group. You can update the work info, address, detail, important dates such as birth date, and so on. So here you can add in birth date, anniversary, other, or custom date. Relationship note, and you can even change the image. So tap on image and then remove the old image, and then from here you can change the image by choosing one from the gallery, AI emoji, or use the camera to capture a new image. So you can here I'm going to assign one of the images available. After that, after you have update the details, tap on the save button to save the changes. And that's it. So that is how you can edit a contact detail on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.